Kamakau. I want to say mahalo nui. This is their time. At this time, I want to introduce the lovely Pomaika'i lineman. And with that, I say aloha and mahalo. Have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Aloha! My name is Pomaika'i Lyman, and I am what they call the Manamele Mentor as part of the music program where we take music into the charter schools. And so schools that I've had the opportunity to teach at are Halau Kumana, Pauoa Elementary, and right now I'm currently the Kumu Manamele at Kekula o Kamakau. So I'm going to invite them onto the stage at this time. They're looking at me like, when Kumu? Okay, so just come on, kalamai. So while they're getting situated, let me tell you a little bit about what we do. We teach music in the schools. We focus on the ABCs of music, and we translate that as academics, business, and culture. So students get to learn all of those things because of this program. And I am fortunate enough to work at the Kula where my keiki are currently haumana and have been for the past 8 years. And so I do have 2 of my keiki as part of this performing group, but these keiki are pretty much ohana. They have all grown up in Hawaiian language immersion together from Punana Leo or Nakua Lei time all the way up through now. These are haumana in grades 5 through 8 at Kekula o Kamakau, which is a Hawaiian language immersion school in Haiku, Kaneohe, Hawaii. So I'd like to present them to you at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, Papa Kukui and Papa Waina o Kekula o Kamakau.
Mai alenui haha alala keiki, kalai kahiki au au, pailolo, kalohi, kaiwi, kaieye waho, kaula kahi, kumu kahi, ho'omo'a, aho iho mai I Hawaii loa. Aloha mai kākou. O mākou na haumana papa e 5, e 6, e 1, e 8 o ke kula o Samuel Manaya Kalani Kamakau. He kupa o Anue Punua no kane o he ko'olau poko o ahu. He mākua hine, he kumu, he haku mele, he pu'ukani, he sela moku a he kanaka aloha aina no hoi. No kana aloha nui ana I kana maupua e kolu kana maupua wehi ko'olau no hoi ua haku ia ke mele o lei Manaya Kalani e ia. He mele ho'ohano ke ia I ko Kamakau a me na wahi ke wakau I o ko'olau. Me ia mana'o e ia ke mele o lei Manaya Kalani. Mahalo.